Seamless AI claims to help you find contact info for anyone. Let's see. Now it says it gives you real-time research and validation on over 1.3 billion plus business contacts and 121 million plus companies. So you put in your business email and you sign up for free. Once you submit the form, you have agreed to Seamless AI terms of use and privacy policy. So you can see contacts here. Okay. So you can find anyone's email address in seconds. Okay. You can get mobile phones for all your B2B prospects. Over 414 million plus phone numbers researched globally connect with ready-to-buy decision makers today. Video dream list of 1.3 billion plus contacts with their full profiles in seconds. You can unlock about 121 million plus companies and websites, identify every company in the world that you need to sell to. Explore the list of seamless AI products like Prospector, Buyer Intent, Job Changes, Data Enrichment, CRM, AI Research. It's #1 AI data platform to grow your business. If you're a prospector, Buyer Intent, anyone, just click on it and you see what they do here. So it is the most accurate data powered. It is the most accurate data powered by AI before it was cool. Okay, the tends to claim that they have accuracy. This is the first and only real-time search engine for B2B sales leads. They use AI combined with one cloud data engine to ensure you are getting the most accurate data possible. So that's what's about actually. It will help you to drive your growth across the entire revenue team. Right, you can see it here: account executives, sales operations, revenue operators, VP of sales, founders, marketing, recruiting, customer success, IT engineering, finance, operations, human resources. So Seamless AI integrates with all of your favorite sales too. One-click native integration with Salesforce, HubSpot, SalesLoft, Outreach, Pipedrive, Dynamics, and more, plus over 6,000 plus apps, CRMs, and automation tools with Zapier. So you can integrate with them and have a great things, a lot of testimonies from people. Don't forget, top quality data creates big profitable businesses. So a lot of people choose it, so want to try today. Start generating B2B leads today by using Seamless AI. No credit card required. You get a lot of contacts research and a lot of companies research. Get started today and you can talk to sales.